I'm Laura Ray Dickey, CEO of Dickey's Barbecue Pit.
And I'm Alex Segura, Dickey's social media specialist.
The holidays are here, and if you're looking to set the perfect table without all the stress, Dickey's has you covered with our special holiday menu. The holidays are just around the corner, and we know how important it is to have a stress-free holiday and a delicious celebration. That's where Dickey's Holiday Catering comes in.
That's right. We've got everything you need to impress your guests. Our complete feast comes with your choice of Cajun turkey, smoked turkey, spiral cut ham, or prime rib. They are all slow smoked and delicious. And I can't forget about the sides like baked potato casserole, green beans with bacon, cornbread dressing, and even sweet potato casserole.
That's right, Alex. But also don't forget about that gravy. Our country gravy is so good, you'll want to put it on everything.
Absolutely, even on dessert.
Well, maybe.
You know, whatever works. Let's talk about dessert. We've got pumpkin pie and pecan pie available by the slice or whole because no holiday is complete without dessert.
I agree. And if you're looking for something simple, try our holiday Big Yellow Box. It's packed with sliced smoked turkey and 3 of our most popular sides. It's perfect for feeding your family or your coworkers, and you can even bring it to Friendsgiving.
I love Friendsgivings. So if you're hosting a big event like Friendsgiving, our catering experts can help you customize the perfect spread. Just call us at 866-BARBECUE or use our catering calculator online.
That's right. For over 83 years, we've been helping families make holiday memories with our legit Texas barbecue. And remember, the only days we're closed are Thanksgiving and Christmas Day, so pick up your feast anytime before then.
Let us handle the smoking so you can focus on the fun. Thanks for letting us be a part of your holiday traditions.
Happy holidays from all of us at Dickey's Barbecue Pit.
Happy holidays.
Thanks, y'all.